Thomas Edison once said, "The value of an idea lies in the using of it." Now buckle up as we delve into another insightful saying, this time by Albert Einstein, "The only source of knowledge is experience." You might have heard the saying, knowledge is power. Well, it's overrated. Yes, understanding things is wonderful. You learn, you grow, you comprehend. But without action, ideas remain just that, ideas. They're seeds without soil, rain, or sunshine. To sprout and grow, they demand action. Consider this. The greatest minds throughout our history didn't merely sit around contemplating. They experimented, they stumbled, they persevered, they took massive action. That's what distinguished them. So don't just sit idle with your ideas. Rise. Do something. Take action. Turn your ideas into reality. Because without action, knowledge is mere potential. And potential is worthless without action. What's stopping you? Step forward and start doing. Make your knowledge powerful by accumulating it, but by applying it. Longing for more insights like these? Join us for an in-depth exploration of problem solving on the Priority Problem Solvers YouTube channel. Remember, knowledge is only as precious as the action it inspires. So let's inspire action together. Scene 2. Bruce Lee. Wisdom, application is the key. Let's shift our focus to the East now, where another great mind, Bruce Lee, echoed similar thoughts. He once said, "Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do." Marvel at the simplicity yet profundity of these words. Bruce Lee was not just a martial arts legend but a philosopher too. His words remind us that knowledge and intention are just the starting points. They're like a car with a full tank of gas, but unless someone turns the key and drives, the car won't move an inch. The same applies to our knowledge and intentions. They're potential energy, waiting to be transformed into kinetic energy. It's a universal law of physics and life. We must apply our knowledge and act on our intentions. Because the world doesn't reward you for what you know or mean to do, it rewards you for what you do. So, let's not just know and will. Let's apply and do. Stay tuned as we conclude our video, but remember, the real conclusion happens when you start applying what you've learned. Let's not just be hearers of wisdom, let's be doers. Scene 3. Picasso's perspective, action as the foundation. As we continue on this thought-provoking journey, let's cross the globe to Europe and delve into the mind of another legendary figure, Pablo Picasso. An artist extraordinaire, Picasso was also a deep thinker. He once said, "Action is the foundational key to all success." This statement aligns perfectly with the wisdom we've hitherto explored. Picasso, through his relentless action, transformed the world of art. His words underscore the importance of action in turning potential into reality. It's not enough to possess the key to success, one must turn it to unlock the door. Picasso didn't just imagine his masterpieces, he created them. He didn't just dream of success, he worked for it. He didn't just hold the key, he turned it. That's the power of action. It turns dreams into reality, potential into success. As we approach the end of our video, remember this. Knowledge and intentions are the key, but it's action that turns the lock. So let's not just possess the key, let's turn it. Let's not just dream, let's do. Now we turn to the wisdom of another great mind, Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. A towering figure in German literature, Goethe's words echo the sentiments of Picasso and the theme of our video. He said, "Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Wishing is not enough, we must do." These words are a clarion call to action. Goethe reminds us that knowledge and wishes are only the beginning. They are the seed, but action is the water that makes it grow. To truly make a difference, to truly succeed, we must apply what we know and act on our wishes. We must transform our knowledge into action, our wishes into reality. Goethe's wisdom reinforces the message we've been exploring. Action is the game changer. It's the bridge between knowing and doing, between wishing and achieving. So let's not just know, let's apply. Let's not just wish, let's do. Because action is the key that unlocks the door to success. As we prepare to wrap up, remember Goethe's words and let them motivate you to action.